In North America, there's approximately 1 million steel transmission structures. And even today, in a, quote, good painting year, 5,000 or 6,000 of them are getting addressed from a corrosion standpoint. Well, you know, do the math. 5,000 or 6,000 out of 1 million is not really addressing the situation.
The main thing that I've always said to people is the way we do it is the lowest possible cost per square foot per year, and we can calculate out what that's going to be. We can tell you the cost per square foot, of course, but we can tell you the cost per square foot per year based on thousands of jobs that we've done with proven results.
But on a transmission tower or a transmission pole, there is no system that's proven to be better from a performance standpoint and from a cost standpoint. My company specifically has painted probably 75,000 transmission structures since 1992, and well over 95% of those were fully energized when we painted them. To paint them, they've got to be painted energized. But you can't paint a tower energized if you're blasting it, or if you're water pressure washing it, or if you're even power tool cleaning makes it very difficult to do, because you've got all kinds of equipment in close proximity to highly energized circuits.
What we found going to other countries is that none of them do it the way we do it here. They usually cost themselves a lot more money to get the same or less result. What we're building, I think, is good because we have a really nice test tower in the New Delhi, India area. It was important to be there to kind of guide them and see really like perfect paint jobs the way we do it. Low cost, minimum climbs.
This is a very unique application. It's very difficult from a logistical standpoint to do this kind of work from a utilities standpoint. So you're looking for the longest possible service life at the lowest possible cost. And so it stands to reason that you use a contractor that knows what they're doing, that has extensive experience in this specific application.
We have the benefit of 75 years of proven performance and upgrading the barrier properties of that system. And that's the Induron difference.